Right, let's start here, guys. So that is where all the magic happens. So I'm going to walk over here and just show you what we got. So this is the cockpit. This is where we sit. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Lee's Trucking, which you would have noticed by now is a little bit different. Well, we've done a few things different this week, so I thought I'd share them with you and start in the manner as we mean to go on. Here I am. So what have we done this week that's a little bit different? So first and foremost, I have now managed to piece together a new intro that was filmed by one of my friends using a drone. So basically I'm going to put that towards the end of the video, and literally, please, it's 40 seconds. Watch it, tell me what you think. And I will say this, I know the quality isn't great, but please ignore the quality and just let me know what you think of the video, of the intro. Let me know if you think it's good or bad or how it could be changed. I do have more reels, so to speak. So that's the first thing we've done. And the second thing I thought I would do for this episode is I would give us a cab tour. If you look at the thumbnail, it does state it's a cab tour. Lorry Driving Vlogs, cab tour in blue. So I thought I'd give you guys a little cab tour of the Mercedes Actros 450, which is what I'm driving currently at the moment. So as I say, we are going to be doing a cab tour of the Mercedes-Benz Actros. We're doing a new intro. Please let me know all of your comments, whether you think it's a good intro or bad intro. As I say, please ignore the quality. The quality of the intro will not matter right now. I'm hoping I'll be able to clear that up. Okay, so very short, very sweet video this week. I have recorded content, however, more content than I had recorded. What have I gone and done? You guessed it, Mr. Forgetful left them on his cameras. Where are his cameras? They're certainly not here with me. They are in the truck. So I've pieced together what I'd already luckily put over. So what you're going to see is not relevance to this in the slightest, but I don't really show a lot of loading and unloading. I've just shown a little bit of loading and unloading. You're going to see the cab tour. You're going to see the new exclusive intro. All right guys, how are we doing? Well, we are at the end of the week. It's Friday, end of the day. Time is 4:10. So what I thought I'd do is just give you a little insight of where I work. So I'm just gonna turn the camera around and show you. This is where I work, Monday to Friday. Just a little tour of the cab. Hope you enjoy it. Right, let's start here, guys. So that is where all the magic happens. So I'm going to walk over here and just show you what we got. So this is the cockpit. This is where we sit. It's my setup. So I've got a camera just there. I have my other camera just there, as you can see. A few bits here, Foot Eagles, Crystal Palace. My phone holder, charger there. It's my tea. And there's my Walker's Crisp that I've just eaten. Yay! And then you turn around, it's my coat, Eagles. It's that, and then under there is my bed, not made, as you can see. I'm not going to show you too much up there because there's not a lot to see. It's just a few bits on the bed where I put my junk. So that goes to the storage. So I've got a storage here. What have I got in there? It's my uniforms, it's my clothes when I work away. I have my tea towel hanging there. This one's going to be a mess. This is my kitchen stuff, my pans, pots, knife and forks, one of my burners, my wet wipes. I'm sure you know what they're used for. I've got one of my burners here as well, another burner. And then over here, another junk cupboard, mainly for my cameras. We know what that's for. Another one there, some shaving foam, some camera stuff there, some more stuff there. And that is it, and that is there is the other stuff for my recording. So just in case you're wondering, I use a GoPro in the corner there, as you can see, and another GoPro just there. That's me done for this week, guys. Hope you enjoy the show, and we will see you next week. Over and out for now. Hi guys, right, the time is now upon us. It is time, as promised, for my new intro. Let me know what you think. Hope you enjoy.